Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here in the southwest of Guangxi province, and in the back you can see the beautiful mountains, and we are staying here at the Leiping Tingzhechu, so at the Leiping parking lot. And in the back you can see a few persons from Guangxi Discovery, and I'm on a 4-day trip now to go with them to a few cool spots in Guangxi. And also Guilo 60 is also with us. And this is the two cars we're with here. A short introduction into Chinese male toilets. Look at these urinals, and you can see here you have these Baba Joe cans, and they are for cigarettes, right? So because Chinese people, especially men, they like to smoke on the toilet, so they have also here these kind of ashtrays on the toilet. And often you have something like here, 向前一小步, step forward one step, and culturalize one big step. And now in the back here, they are preparing to shoot the opening video for our trip to here in the southwest of Guangxi. But it's pretty difficult because of the rain and the not optimal light situations. And because we are already quite close to Vietnam, so you see here Chinese, English and Vietnamese. Nam, I don't know, I can't speak Vietnamese, sadly.
这样吧，让我们的小姐姐做出来，我们先休息一下，或者整理一下东西，等会儿我们包，好吧？等会儿包一下，来，丽梅你们坐一下吧。
哪？最后要打成。
没人接。
你看现在都是一粒一粒米，等一下就看不到这个米了。
啊，不是，现在还看到，对。
是的。
它现在是一粒一粒的米。
是的，是的。
So we have to do this until you can't see and can't make out the rice. Wow, look, they have a good technique here.
这样呢，我们可以插一下小空嘛，洗一下手，然后需要稍作休息。我们等会儿呢，它打成一定的程度。
The thing is, we get like a very thick mass, like a thick dough. It looks like a dough.
Dạ.
你们刚刚说火是庄火吗？庄鱼吗？
对。
对，庄鱼。
哦，cool。
Có nước mét tao ra nừng nan này nừng. Ê, trên cái này ăn nhiều cơm mà chán lắm mà rồi. Mà vậy. Test ra xem.
Now the shape really starts to change a little bit. Now it doesn't really look like the rice, but now it looks like one thick dough. 我们有花生米蜂蜜。
花生油
啊，花生油。
花生油是说我们戴上手套拿来涂了油了，然后那个糍粑它才不粘。
OK， 明白。
来，我们都可以一起包一下。
我先看你们包，之后
好的。
我先拍。
可以了，它粘了就可以了，油了就可以了。
OK。
来。在旁边这里拿。要那一大盘的，不像这样那么多。抓起来，等一下会，我们把它，你想做大你就要多一点，你想做小你就要少一点，是这样子的。因为我们手上涂那个油，这个糯米它刚刚蒸出来的，然后我们这样子把它弄圆了，把它搞扁了。才刚开始。哎，搞扁了，我们就去把那个线放到中间去。这错过了，渣会太小。哇，看起来好。可以的，你把它搞扁了。
Okay, I will do this too.
对，就是这样。
Let's go. Scenery place here, and what I want to show you is this sign here, which reads as Guangxi Zhuang Autonomous. So Guangxi is another meaning for Guangxi province, and Zhuang Autonomous is the king of the Zhuang people the king of the Zhuang King's city, and Ba Gui. So Gui is Gui Hua is one kind of flower which is very famous here in Guangxi province, which like grows here a lot. So this is why Gui, or also Guilin, is called Gui. And basically Ba Gui means there's a lot of Gui in this Gui Hua inside Nanning city, inside Guangxi province. So Ba Gui also means Guangxi province. 你知道这个dengtangwu是什么舞，什么跳舞？
dengtangwu是广西壮族自治区这个地方，这个民族是壮族。我们中国有56个民族，然后这个是原生态本地的一个壮族人民的这样一个舞蹈，是叫dengtangwu啊，他们本地的特色的舞蹈。这个呢，这个活动人数1032啊，1032，这个叫糍粑，这个就是我们刚刚吃的那个。啊，就是1000多个人，就
1000多人参加做这个啊，
对，
做糍粑，明白 ？OK，还有我们还有什么活动？还有高空山歌，
这个叫高腔施雷，高腔这也是壮族高腔山歌，他是唱那个山歌啊，过去山就是在中国过去。路不发达的时候，这边一座山，这边一座山，一个是男生在这边
OK
唱歌，那另外一座山就
聊了，
就这种，对。
Okay, cool. Oh, thank you so much for explaining me. That's cool. Nice. That's actually cool records. Okay, let's go back.